Welcome back, guys. So I have been wanting to try this fruit for so long, and it's called Cecropia or gummy worm fruit. It has this weird jelly-like texture. Not many people have it, and supposedly it goes bad really quick, so it doesn't ship hardly at all. You have to get it right from the tree if you want to try it. And so I drove by this tree for years, and I always, just hoped that someday I'd get to try it. And I happened to see a guy posting that he had some for sale, and so I messaged him, and it was the same tree that I've been looking at for years. So we ended up, he gave me some fruit and I traded him some trees, and now we're gonna try it. So here we go. It looks like that. So supposedly it tastes kind of like figs, or gummy worms, I don't know, let's see. Okay, I taste the figs. Yeah, I'd say this one tastes a lot like figs. Like figs with a hint of gummy worms. And the texture's kind of firm on the outside, and the inside is really squishy. So like the pulp around the seeds in the fig is really interesting. He had to use this giant picker because the fruit was, geez, probably like 15 feet up in the air. He said he'd been growing the tree for about 8 years, and he bought it, like these trees are ridiculously expensive. He bought it about his size for $150, and so I'm cheap. I'm not gonna spend that for the plant. So, here we are. But yeah, it's really good. Let's try it again. Let's try a different one. Let's try this one. So I think they've got this little like, yeah, let me try and get a good one. They've got this little branch in the middle that you can pull out, and you don't eat this part. You eat the squishy inside part, which looks like that. This one might be slightly overripe. It has a more, still fig taste, but I'm trying to think what that is. Like an old fig, like about to fall off the tree fig, or fell off the tree. So the seeds have a tiny bit of a crunch to them. I wouldn't say that they're like a kiwi. Kiwis have a lot of crunch. These have a more delicate, less pronounced crunch. But yeah, no, if you've tried these, nothing that I would eat like a whole ton of, but definitely snack I can get behind. And so they, right here, have tons of little seeds. And he said that to propagate them, you can either do it by air layering, but he said that he didn't have any luck with that. So he was trying to grow them from seeds. And supposedly that's going to be a little bit easier. I don't know. I'll give it a shot. I'll keep some of these and try it myself. See you next time, guys. Okay, so I went ahead and planted some. So hopefully these will grow good. I'll put a comment later if they sprout. And then I went ahead and kept some down here that I'm going to put in a bag and dry them out for later in case those have some issues. So we'll see. A backup from my backup.